All right, so one of the biggest things that I talk to people about on a consistent basis is how do they stay consistent when the motivation goes away. It's one of the things that stops a lot of people from getting to the goals that they truly want to get to. So in this video today, guys, I'm going to give you a couple of pointers and a couple of things that you guys need to do to continue to stay consistent even when the motivation goes, because guys, motivation doesn't stay here forever. It does come and go. All right, so let's hop into it. All right, number one, you need to stop relying on motivation and you need to build a routine instead. Okay, this is probably one of the biggest lessons that I've had to learn about how to stay consistent is actually just building a basic routine. Okay, the most successful people, one of the common things that they have is that they do whatever they have to do even when they don't feel like it. Okay, I'm going to say that one more time for the people that fell asleep. The most successful people do what they have to do regardless of how they feel every day. Okay, motivation comes and goes, guys. We have to understand that discipline is what actually creates the consistency. Okay, that's why you create the plan, you create the routine, because the routine creates the discipline. As you have the discipline, you're going to continue to do it regardless of how you feel each and every day, guys. You need to schedule your goals. Okay, like appointments. Okay, so like I told you guys in my previous video, that when you have to create content, and I will put that video right here, you need to create a schedule and hold yourself accountable to that schedule. If you say that every day you're going to walk around your neighborhood at 10 a.m., then make sure that you put it in your calendar and you hold yourself accountable to it. Unless a life emergency happens or something like that, on that particular day at 10 a.m., you are walking around your neighborhood, guys. Don't ask yourself every day if you feel like doing it. Okay, don't do that. Just do it. Okay, don't stop asking yourself, do you feel like doing it? No, you have to do it regardless of how you feel. You need to just go ahead and do it. And you need to make that decision one time and then you repeat it. Okay, make the decision one time and then you repeat it each and every day, or the days that you're supposed to do that, guys. And I'm gonna be very clear about this. I am not always excited about doing the things that I have to do every day, right? Like I have to go, work every day, right? I'm not excited always about that. I create content, right? I'm not always excited about doing that. Some days I do not feel like even being creative at all. I'm like everybody else. Sometimes I just want to sit in the house. I just want to play video games. I just want to eat, Doritos and hang out and stuff like that. But guess what? I can't do that, right? Because I've committed to something. I've committed to going to work every day. I have committed to creating content. I have committed to the people that need me, that depend on me. I'm committed to the goal. I'm committed to the mission. And when you are committed to the mission, guys, it is very difficult for you to fall off. So again, guys, please make sure that you stop relying on motivation and you build an actual routine instead. Number two, you need to focus on small wins every day. Okay, the number one reason why people quit doing the things that they have to do is because they're looking too far ahead. They're looking at the forest for the trees that are in front of them. Okay, instead of thinking that you have to do this big monumental thing, do the small thing in front of it that will eventually get you there, right? And I know a lot of that comes from the society we live in. Everybody wants things to happen quick, fast, and right now. Guys, you have to get yourself out of that mindset. And I tell people this all the time, the things that we're looking to do, guys, a lot of it is going to be a marathon and is not going to be a sprint, okay? And once you understand that the things that especially something that if it's really good and it's a really big thing that you really want, guys, it's going to take some time to get there. So like just use this logic in a lot of the things that you have to do. I'll use it, for example, for myself. So for example, I will say something along the lines of, I won't say that I need 100,000 subscribers, which even right now I only have 100 subscribers, and you'll be able to see that video right here, okay? But instead of saying I need 100,000 subscribers, I just say I'm gonna make one good video today that will eventually get me to that goal down the line, hopefully, right? Or instead of saying I need to lose 100 pounds, you say to yourself, I'm gonna go on a 30-minute walk every day. At least minimum, I'm gonna go on a walk every day, guys. Small habits compound over time, okay? They compound over time, all right? Momentum always beats perfection. You do not have to be perfect with these things, guys. I am not perfect. I tell myself every morning that I need to be getting up at 4:30 in the morning, guys. Sometimes it looks like 5:30, or 6 o'clock a.m., okay? So what I'm saying to you guys is that momentum beats perfection. You do not have to be perfect, but you do need to just continue to you need to get it started, right? Every day doesn't have to be amazing. Okay, like I said, life happens, things happen, things come up. Life, it's not gonna always be good. It's not gonna be a great day. You think you're gonna wake up every day and it's gonna be sunny and 85 degrees? No, guys, that's not true. That's not real. All right. So it's not gonna be perfect. You have to understand that every day does not need to be amazing. Okay, but you do need to be consistent with the things that you have to do. Okay, progress is more important than any intensity. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time for the people that fell asleep. Progress is more important than intensity. There are times, guys, that I have gone in the gym. I'm supposed to be there literally for like 45 minutes to an hour. And guys, I got a 20-minute workout. Okay, I did something. All right, maybe I didn't get the 45-minute workout today. Maybe I didn't get all my sets and all my reps in today, but guess what? I did something. I got something. And that is right there. That is exactly what you want to have, guys. Consistency isn't about necessarily having huge days. It is about refusing to have like a whole bunch of 0 days, okay? So you don't want to have a bunch of 0 days, okay? So again, I'm going to say that for you one more time. Consistency isn't about having huge days. It's about refusing to have too many 0 days, guys. You cannot have 0 days, guys. You can't do that, okay? Focus on just having small wins each and every day. All right, guys, and the last thing that you need to do to make sure that you stay consistent, even when the motivation is just not there, you need to remember why you started, okay? Eventually, every goal, everything that you're doing to try to get to these next levels in life, guys, it's going to become difficult. Especially if it's something worth going after. It is going to become difficult, okay? So when that happens, your why has to become bigger than the excuses, okay? Your why has to become bigger. You have to go back and think to yourself, why did I start doing this? Why initially did I start trying to lose weight? Oh, I started trying to lose weight because I wanted to live healthier. I wanted to live a better life. I wanted to feel good. Or for example, why did I start creating YouTube? I started creating YouTube because I wanted to help people at a broader scale. I was helping people locally and I want to continue to help people all throughout the world, okay? So on those days where I'm sitting here thinking like, man, I don't feel like pressing record, or I don't feel like walking around my neighborhood, or I don't feel like going to go hit the gym, the why has to take over. And if your why is not taking over, then you're not ready to do it, okay? So you need to have that why taking over, guys. Wanting a better life, if you want to have financial freedom and being healthier, guys, if you want to become someone your family is proud of, guys, you have to understand that you have to put all of the other stuff aside, even if you're having a bad day. Even when I have bad days, guys, I still do the things that I'm supposed to do. I still do things I'm supposed to do. I don't just tuck my tail in and take my ball and go home. I still do the things that I'm supposed to do, guys, okay? So I need you guys to truly understand that if you don't have a why, if you don't have a purpose on why you're doing the things that you're doing, you are never going to make it to your goals. You're never going to get there, guys. Please remember, the why must always remain at the top of the reason as to why you're doing what you're doing each and every day. Please understand that you will not be motivated every day. It's just not going to happen, okay? The people who change their lives aren't the most motivated people. It is the people who are the most consistent, okay? The people that I know that have sculpted amazing bodies in the gym, they weren't the people that went to the gym every day or 5 days a week or whatever your gym schedule is. It was the people who just stayed consistent for a longer period of time. And a lot of you are so close to hitting your goals and getting the right mindset, and you were so close and you quit. I don't want you to continue to do that. Just remember that you must be consistent. That is really what this is all about. You need to be consistent each and every day and try to have those small wins, guys, okay? So for the next 30 days, I want to challenge all of you, everybody watching this video, for the next 30 days, stop waiting until you feel motivated, okay? Just show up, all right? If you just show up, I'm telling you, you're going to surprise yourself. I promise you, you're going to surprise yourself, guys, all right? So listen, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Like, anything that you need. If you're feeling, the motivation's not there, you need to have a talk or something like that, guys, my email's in the bio, guys. Just hit me up. I'll be able to talk with you. I can definitely help you out. And like I said, guys, we're all trying to figure this thing out, guys. I'm not perfect either. A lot of the stuff that I'm talking about in this video, I struggle with too. But again, it's about being consistent for a long period of time and not being perfect. I'll catch you guys in the next one.